Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. Today's part 3 of the Anfield Robertson mural. I've left it quite late in the day, it's gone past 5 o'clock now, so expecting a lot has been done to it now. I'm expecting to see a lot of red that have been done today. It's been brilliant weather. I was expecting it to be raining all day today, but now it's been fantastic. So we're going to turn down one of the roads in a minute, not that one, that's back the Rockfield Road. We want the next one. So I'm going to run the intro. Meet me all right by the mural. I reckon there's a big chunk of it done now. It's going to look really good. The mighty main stand in the background, looking as glorious as ever. So on the intro.
When the tiger slipped away, Robert kept believing in a better day. Then Liverpool came in the summer sun. Club saw a warrior ready to run. No superstar name, no golden crown, just hunger and heart from a Scottish town. Down the left side with the cup and song, 90 minutes.
And welcome back everyone. I can see red from here, so yeah, I can see part of his shirt. Platform is still down, so maybe they're still working on it. I'll just turn the camera around so you can see what I see as we go around. Fucking boss, isn't it? This goal here, this is just for the kids to have a kick about with. This is a good idea, but it's looking pretty solid, isn't it? It's looking really good. That was the last one that was missing yesterday. Born in Glasgow, made in Liverpool. It just brings it out a lot more, doesn't it, when you see the shirt getting done? It looks immense. Absolutely incredible.
Never back down, never fear to fall. Even when the tiger slipped away, Robert kept believing in a better day. Then Liverpool came in the summer sun. Club saw a warrior ready to run. No superstar name, no golden crown, just hunger and heart from a Scottish town. Down the left side with the cup and song, 90 minutes flying strong. Slide tackles, crosses, fearless pace, pure determination written on his face. A school at Anfield, the crowd erupted loud. Red smoke rising from the roaring crowd against Salzburg. He smashed it true. The famous old ground just exploded for you. Barcelona came on that magical night. Anfield burning under European lights. Quick corner taken, football history made. Rebel spirit in a comeback state. Madrid in 2019, Kings of Europe crowned 6 European Cup, and the cup went wild around. Rebel lifted silver with tears in his eyes.
كنت عندك هناك في بيتك ولسه معدي.
So at the end of the day, John's finishing for the day, so he's going to be back tomorrow to finish off the rest of the shirt. Andrew Robertson. So that's what he's ready to put in the day. Hopefully Andrew Robertson will come down and sign it. Put the platform up for safety. John Paul's done a fantastic job for Murwalls. So, as we wrap up this episode today, part 3, unfortunately I'm back on my other job tomorrow, so I'm just going to miss the bottom part of the shirt being painted, but it's good to get all this covered and to add in a few drone shots for you as well. A little bit of inside information for you. There's going to be another Andrew Robertson mural painted, and it's going to be next week. I'm not going to tell you where though yet, because I don't want to spoil it or bring too big a crowd to the day. But it's going to be next Friday when work begins, but I'm not going to tell you where though yet. But it's going to be another Andrew Robertson mural. It's only going to be painted in one day, so there's going to be company for this Andrew Robertson mural closer to Anfield. That's the only clue I'm giving you. So I'm going to wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed the drone shots. This was part 3, and it'll be finished tomorrow. Hopefully Andrew will come and sign it off. So without further ado, I'm going to move on back towards Anfield. I have been GreyBeard Media, covering another mural for you. See you for the next one. The next one will be next week. We'll be covering that one day one. See you all soon. Bye for now.
Chasing fame or gold just to feel a story that comes still told. Nine spill sings when your name appears for all the battles through the years. Andy Robertson right through Anfield, Liverpool's warrior, and the call